Good morning everyone. Today is a pretty good day for me because I woke up and it's the first time in a long time that I haven't had to meet with anyone or I haven't arranged to be anywhere or anything like that, so it's really awesome. And I just got in a new tool alert. It is, well, let me show you. I'll jump in the back here. That's right. New Hikoki 18V. I was going to make a bit of a video about it today, and then a friend calls me, says I have a little patch to do. So I thought we can do that at the same time. We can get the TV. Anyway, it's the first 18-volt TV on the market as far as I know. It's the first little portable device like that I've seen ever. So as soon as I saw it, I think I saw it on Instagram, someone was posting about it, Melbourne Chippy Chick or something like that. I thought I gotta have one. So now I'm just picking up a battery and charger from my local trade tools store. So we are at Northern Gold Coast, that's where we are, Northern Gold Coast. And then we're heading to Southport, Gold Coast. We're gonna just try and roll in indiscreetly here. You can come with me. I haven't even opened this TV yet, so we're gonna get this battery and charger. We'll see what else they got. And I really think I'm gonna be able to use this a lot. So I think it's gonna be fun. Anyway, let's get in there, grab it, and we'll go, grab and go. Oh, what else do I need while I'm here? What else do I need? A new chalk line? These were good. They were good. My handle, my spinner snapped. Alright, let's get to what we need. Power tools. Ooh. Sounds good. Hey, how you doing? Just after a battery and charger.
Just for Hitachi Hikoki?
Yeah.
Easy.
Thank you.
The rapid charger or the standard charger?
What's the price difference?
So I can do a 4/8 amp or a 2.5/5 amp. Very good.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Bye. There it is. When your hands are filled with power tools, all you do, foot under, opens. There we have it. Got the whole kit now. Got the whole kit now. Oh, I need one of those hedge trimmers. That's next. That's next. Because I can make a good video doing a hedge trim. I got a good hedge at the back. All right, next stop, Southport, Gold Coast. Let's go. Here we have it. We are unboxing this new Hikoki 18-volt TV. I also bought a new charger and a new battery. And this is the first tool I have. And pretty excited about this tool because we can go nearly anywhere. Come check it out. Oh, here it is. It's pretty big. I'm not sure the weight. I should have probably checked that out before I started this video. Some instructions. Pop that over here. Here it is. Let's get this plastic off. Nice. This is the first video of its kind. This is the aerial, and if you're in a bad spot, oh look at that little extender. This extends if you're out on the beach or something and you can't get a signal. But you can be anywhere, watching the Melbourne Cup, anything like that, on the job site, on one of your jobs, watching TV. Boys will love it. Gonna look at the outputs that this puppy has. That battery slot in the back. Got a little power port. External aerial. Let's get one of these batteries going. On charge. Gather around, guys. Fresh battery right here. This is a multi-volt. Let's get that charging. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. There we go. Got a charging light. Inside the box, we have a remote. That's cool. Hey, so you don't have to get up if you're fishing or something. So while that is charging, we use this AC adapter. And there we go. Plug this in here. Plugs in. Now this is mobile. I mean, if I took it down the beach, this looks like a big radio. When you get a tool, you want to make sure you're the guy that takes the plastic off. Let's turn it on. Here we go. Yeah. All right. English. Okay. Is it touchscreen? I don't know. No, it's not. We're just gonna program it. All right. We are just programming this DTV digital TV. Looking good so far. But I'm gonna charge the battery, and then I'm gonna take it around with me and see where I can use it. Still programming. or wherever you're going. Like right here, you can watch TV and the battery lasts about 6 hours, which is pretty good. So all in all, it's pretty nice. It's over $500 Australian, so I mean it's not cheap, but even a nice new radio these days with Bluetooth speakers can be a few $100s. And this thing goes actually really loud, which is good. Buttons feel really good, really responsive. And once you have those batteries in the back, it stores all the channels, it stores the date and the time, everything like that. So you don't have to keep retuning it like I have been lately. If there's bushfires or something, you can actually take this instead of your radio. You can see live reports and everything from the news. You can actually see it, not just hear it on the radio, so that's a good thing. Pretty handy. At the back, so there's no screen protector. Eugene was mentioning to get like an iPad screen protector on the top. That's a pretty good idea. And I haven't even stacked tools on this at all. Also, the back doesn't close. Pretty sure the back won't close with any size battery. I could be wrong. This is maybe one of the bigger batteries Hikoki has. And another downfall was the angle. It's always, if you're outside, it's always reflecting the light. It'd be better if it's probably flat. Should have a little cast device or something like that. Robust design, looks like shock absorbers right here. It is tough. Speakers, you got 2 speakers on either side right here, just like that. Like I said, it does go nice and loud. And it seems even a little bit louder when you're Bluetoothing music as well. It's got a high definition 8-inch LCD screen at 1024 by 600. 1024 by, where's my teleprompter, Jimmy? God damn it. 8-inch high definition LCD screen. With a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, which is pretty decent for a small screen like this. Got 2 90mm speakers on each side with a max output of 7 watt each speaker, with a weight of 4.2 kilograms out of the box without a battery, and it's 305mm wide. Comes with the remote control, an external antenna, 2 AAA batteries, 2 AA batteries, AC adapter, and a partridge and a pear tree. The batteries and charger are sold separately.
Thank you very much. We'll file an emergency and effect control.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.